Good morning everybody, it's the Yorkshire Gardener here. It is absolutely boiling down here on the allotment. Just sneak a peek at that cucumber in the background. So yeah, I'm down here on the allotment. Today is a busy day today. I'm going to be planting my potatoes for Christmas. Stay tuned for the video for that. And if you've not read my blog and watched the video from yesterday, which I posted this morning, the link will be below so that you can go and read that. I'll be posting these every day, so stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be planting my seeds outside. I've got some beetroot seeds and some lettuce seeds to try for a late crop, and some French beans as well. It might just be a bit too late, but we'll see how we get on. I do like to experiment. So that's it for today, so stay tuned for more updates, and remember, keep gardening. So today we're going to be planting my Christmas potatoes. These can be started off outside while it's still warm at this time of year, and then put inside in the polytunnel or a greenhouse. They need to be kept in there to keep them warm and to grow. So we can have them outside for the time being while it's still nice and warm in the UK. Warmish, should I say, but it is warm at the moment. So yeah, let's get on with planting them. So I've got 3 of these bags to plant them in, because you can't be planting them in the ground with it being colder at the end of the year. So we've got 3 of these bags, potato bags. We've got 2 boxes of potatoes. These ones are Charlotte. I've got some potato fertiliser to help them grow to go in the compost. So that's this. And obviously I've got my compost as well. You can actually use previous compost from other stuff, I've read up, but I'm using fresh compost to give it all the nutrients it needs. So that's what I'm doing. So let's get pottering them up. All these things you can purchase from my online shop, which is links to Amazon, so that you can find the perfect things straight off without having to search for them. I'll drop the link in the below in the comments so that you can actually go ahead and get some yourself if you want to try it yourself. So yeah, let's get planted. So I've put a layer of compost on the bottom, so the next job is to put some potatoes in there. So we'll just get us potatoes and pop them in. I think I'm going to try 4 in each one. Just like that. So now we've done that, we need to put our compost in. So I've covered it, I've filled it about halfway now. So what I'm going to do is put some potato fertiliser on top of that. Just sprinkling some in. Then I'm going to mix it in, just like that. Then I'm going to fill it up again to the top. So I've now filled that up to the top, and what I'm going to do is just sprinkle some more in. Like that. Then you can mix it into the top, and then all is left is to water. Now to do my other 2. Again, I've put 4 in each one. Now to fill them halfway and put some potato fertiliser on. So I fill them halfway. Put some fertiliser on. Mix that in. Mix it into the soil. Then fill it all the way up to the top. And then put some more on top. So that's now filled up to the top. So we just sprinkle some more fertiliser. Mix it in. Then all we've got to do is water it, and we'll leave them outside for a month or so, and then bring them inside and wait for them to grow for Christmas. So that is all 3 done. So that's how I plant my Christmas potatoes. and we'll see how they get on in December when I pick them and see how many I've actually got. So yeah, if you want to join in and plant your Christmas potatoes, the link is below for the shop so that you can get your own potato bags, fertiliser and potatoes. They come pretty fast, so you've still got plenty of time to get them in. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this little video and keep gardening. So I'm now outside. It was absolutely boiling in the polytunnel. I'm going to be clearing some of my old peas away and picking the rest of those, and then I'm going to be hopefully getting cleared and maybe some more old late runner beans in, so we'll see how we get on with them. If the weather's good enough, we should be able to get a crop off them, so we'll see. So this is the bit that I need to clear. As you can see, I've got bloody bindweed everywhere. It's shocking. It's coming over from the next door plot, which is vacant, so I have to keep pulling that out. But yeah, it's a pain. That area is all cleared now. Ready to plant my runner beans in where my peas were. As you can see, I've still got bindweed growing up there, but it is all cut off at the bottom, so it will die back, and then I should be able to pull it out easier. As you can see, it's starting to wilt already from where I cut it off. So yeah, bindweed is absolutely a pain. It's easy to dig up because the roots are massive, but if you leave some in, it'll soon be back. And apparently bindweed can grow up to 11 centimetres a day, so it is a wild thing, and it is a real bind. Boom boom. So yeah, I'm going to be getting my runner beans in there now. So these are the runner beans that I'm planting. Enorma. It says to July, but it's only the beginning of August, so we will see. It's an experiment, so you don't have to follow me if you don't want to, but I'm going to give it a try and I'll let you see how I do get on. So fingers crossed. So I'm planting 2 rows of them, and then I can take the best plant which grows. So yeah, that's it. So they're all planted now. It's just a case of watering them in. So they're all watered in now, so like I said, it's just an experiment to see how I get on with growing them. Fingers crossed, hopefully I'll get some, but it was cheap enough, it was in the sale, so I'm not losing much. So we'll see how we get on. Stay tuned to see how they're growing on. So it's on to the next job now. I'm hopefully going to get some beetroot, spring onion and carrots in. The spring onion possibly won't be ready, but we'll see. But you can leave that in and it should be ready for springtime. So we're going to go and plant some of them now.